And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
Rain, never go away, but unfortunately the rain this morning went away really fast. It was only here for a couple hours, but it packed a punch for areas in the green here, right along the bay. I mean, East Bay, West Bay, it doesn't really matter where you were around the bay. Many locations picked up close to an inch or slightly above. But you go north and you go northwest, it just kind of was like hardly anything. In fact, areas in southeastern Connecticut and western Kent County and southwest Providence County barely had a drop of rain. So here's where we make things really confusing for you. So it rained last night. We have a new drought monitor coming up for tomorrow. The map gets updated every Thursday, right? But the rainfall we had last night will not be reflected on that map until we get to September 8th's update. The map will update the rainfall we had last week. And let me take you back to that rainfall we had. It was last Tuesday, actually, and it poured across the area. Remember all the flash flooding? I would like to think that the rain we had on last Tuesday and last Thursday will put a little dip into this red color here, at least for parts of the area. I'm crossing my fingers. I'm gonna do my math right. We should be doing a little bit better. We're taking baby steps for the drought, and we'd like to see that improve. I'd like to take some baby steps for the traffic, too. You know, southbound, not so bad, but northbound, starting to get moving now, but just moments ago, it was really backed up, and it's not weather-related. It's sunny and gorgeous outside right now after some rain showers this morning that really ended before much of the morning commute started, but there were some wet roads for parts of the area. Now it's dry. Temperatures that were supposed to be in the mid-80s pretty much got there. A few locations fell just a little short, but overall, though, it's above average, and throughout the day, it was feeling better and better. You take those dew points, you start to drop them, and an 81 or an 83 or an 85 feels quite refreshing. Yesterday, that same temperature did not feel that way because it was so humid, right? We're around 80 degrees right now, some 70s mixed in, and overall, I don't know if you can have back-to-back days to start September be any better for Thursday and Friday, as the temperatures will be nice. The humidity is dropping and lowering to the point where it's really not an issue, and it's just comfy tomorrow and comfy Friday. It'll come back a bit on Saturday, and Sunday's humid, but I mean, this is a really nice stretch of weather to close out the week and at least kind of nudge itself into the Labor Day weekend on Saturday before the humidity builds back for Sunday. Overall tonight, though, clear conditions. You know, last night, I was outside like 2 in the morning watching the radar. I'm like sweating. It was so uncomfortable. Tonight, I may have to choose a sweatshirt. I don't know. It's that questionable. And then tomorrow, sunny and pleasant, really nice. Pick your location. I mean, it's one of those days where the winds are out of the west-northwest. So if you're going to the beach tomorrow, for instance, you have the same temperature, maybe even a little warmer than areas north. That doesn't happen very often. When is Burrville 78 and Newport 81? Well, tomorrow will be happening. That's when it happens. Southeastern Mass, sunny and pleasant for you and your temperatures in the low to mid 80s. And what a great day. You know, forecasting for the holiday weekends in summer is probably the biggest stress ball for me in the world. So Memorial Day weekend, July 4th, and Labor Day weekend, right? Last year, we couldn't get any of the holidays right. The weather was cool, it was raining, it wasn't so great. This year, not bad. Memorial Day weekend was knocked it out of the park. July 4th was hot, it's supposed to be. And Labor Day weekend looks pretty good for 2 out of 3 days. Sunny and nice on Saturday, increasing humidity, more humid Sunday. Most of the day is dry, mid-80s. And then some showers and storms come in Sunday night. And some leftover showers on Monday. It's part of a frontal boundary that just wants to hang out for Labor Day, doesn't want to move far enough south, and therefore keeps a little rain in the forecast, and the temperature drops into the 70s. But I would not call Labor Day a washout. So therefore, most of the Labor Day weekend I would consider to be pretty nice. And then if you're lucky enough to have next Tuesday or Wednesday off, we'll just keep it going. Have like a little fall-like feel with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s by day and overnight lows stuck right around 60 degrees. John?
Thank you, Jeff. We continue to follow multiple local stories.